Nobody cared for this Air Jordan when they released. Resale was around $350, and now they're over $1,000. This Air Jordan is fire, straight fire, and a grail for a lot of you. Let's get into this fire, straight fire sneaker unboxing. Free Mocha 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Jordan 1 Mocha. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. This giveaway ends at the end of May. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck on a free pair of Mocha 1s. Don't worry, the winner's gonna receive a brand new dead stock pair. This is my worn personal pair. If you love sneaker giveaways, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and subscribe for free sneaker giveaways. Supremacist makes bags that hold your sneakers. Check this out. So inside of my bag, I have my laptop. I also have two compartments in this bag to hold my sneakers. I have a pair of Jordan 1s as well as my Lightning 4s. Every bag holds your sneakers. There's bags that hold even more pairs of sneakers. They also have duffel bags, daily bags. This right here is the daily bag. They have a bigger commuter bag, and they even have luggage as well. Every Supremacist bag is made to hold your sneakers. Make sure you guys check out Supremacist with the link down below in the description and use my discount code Danny Moore. My name, Danny Moore. That's going to give you 40% off your entire order from Supremacist.com. Supremacist has a ton of bags and a ton of different colors. You guys are guaranteed to find a bag that you're gonna fall in love with the link down below. Make sure you guys click my link and use my code Danny Moore once again at checkout for 40% off your entire order. And if you've ordered from Supremacist already before and you want a new bag, you can go ahead and use my link and my code again for another 40% off each and every order from Supremacist.com. The best bags in the game. You guys have to check them out. I mean, what other bag holds your sneakers like this safely, securely, and you can fit a ton of other things, clothes, a bunch of things. They have other compartments as well, so you can hold everything you need when you're traveling. Link down below. Check out Supremacist. Thank you, Supremacist, for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to it. When these Air Jordans released, nobody really cared like they do now. These Air Jordans, of course, sold out, had some resale value at around $300 to $350 depending on the size. These Air Jordans slowly climbed their way up in price now to over $1,000. And it's crazy that you were able at one point to get this sneaker for around $300 to $350 because this is a Travis Scott Air Jordan 4. From around $300 all the way up to over $1,000. The Travis Scott Cactus Jack Air Jordan 4. The Air Jordan 4 has become the new Air Jordan 1. The Air Jordan 4 is extremely hyped. We don't get as many Air Jordan 4 releases as compared to maybe a Jordan 1. Back when this sneaker released, nobody really cared like they do now. This is a grail for a lot of people, myself included. This pair right here, I picked up on Travis's website when they released. When the releases were actually obtainable on Travis's website, they were not a raffle. This was a first come, first serve release. And throughout the years, I've kept them dead stock. I never sold them. I never wore them. If I was gonna wear them, I put Drip Grip Sole Protectors on the bottom. You guys can copy your Drip Grip Sole Protectors with the link down below. Use my discount code Danny10 for 10% off. When you peel Drip Grip Sole Protectors off, it'll make the bottom look brand new, just like this all over again, even when you wear the sneaker. I held on for the long run. This is my personal pair. I will wear them eventually one day, but I held on. I copped them for retail at $225. Yes, Retail was $225 on these. I don't really complain about the $200, $210 price point on Jordans nowadays because, well, I paid $225 for these. So $225 plus shipping, I held on. They were going for around $300 to $350 easily. They climbed their way up to $500, $600, $700, and now a few years later, well, this is like $1,100, $1,200, $1,300 Air Jordan 4. From $300 to up over $1,000, that is insane. Of course, Travis Scott has gained a ton of hype since these released, but this is the first ever Air Jordan Travis Scott to release, and that's why they're worth so much money, along with this beautiful UNC blue. These were guaranteed, in my opinion, to go up in price. Back when they released, I knew these were gonna go to $1,000 one day. Jordan 4 Travis Scott UNC colors, and the fact that people were actually wearing these made the price skyrocket from $300 all the way up to over $1,000. Do you think this sneaker is worth that over $1,000 price tag? Leave a comment, let me know. I want to know your thoughts. I'm pulling these out because I want to talk to you guys about some upcoming Travis Scott sneaker releases. We will be getting the Travis Scott Air Maxes, a few pairs of those, as well as the Travis Scott Reverse Low Mochas very soon. If you guys are excited for those Travis Scott releases, leave a thumbs up on this video. If you guys can get this video up to 1,000 likes, wow, that's a lot of likes. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but if you guys can get this up to 1,000 likes, I'm gonna give away a Travis Scott sneaker, an upcoming Travis Scott release. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, make sure you guys subscribe. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. If you love free sneaker giveaways, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that thumbs up. I love you guys. I appreciate you. The Jordan 1 Low Reverse Mocha Travis Scott, I want to get them early. They are apparently releasing soon. If you guys drop a comment and tell me, hey, Danny, go get them early, I'm going to look for a pair early, spend that bread, make sure I get them early for you guys for an early review. So make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys want to see me get the Travis Scott Reverse Low Mochas early. I would like to see another Travis Scott Air Jordan 4. They gave us 2 pairs of Travis Scott 6s. They gave us 2 pairs of Jordan 1 highs, 2 pairs of Jordan 1 lows. Why not go back to the Air Jordan 4 and give us the purple friends and family Travis Scott Air Jordan 4? I mean, that would be insane. That would be straight fire. I love Travis Scott as an artist. I think his music speaks for itself, and I love, absolutely love, his fire, straight fire Air Jordan collaborations. Smash that like button, 1,000 likes, and I'm gonna give away a pair of Travis Scott sneakers, an upcoming release, so make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Mocha 1s. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys also check out Soul Premise. The link is down below in the description. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.